everyone, welcome to Srini Wonders. Can you draw this figure without lifting your pen or pencil and with drawing each line only once? Okay, so I'll show you how to draw that. So this is the second one. I'll tell how to draw this also, okay? So this is the third one. I'll tell how to draw this, okay? So this is the next one. I'll tell how to do that, okay? See how easy to draw these figures, and if you know the concept you will do very easily. You will draw very easily without lifting your pen or pencil. And see how easily we have drawn this also. If you know the concept you can draw. Okay, and thanks everyone. Bye.